Radical Therapeutic Chakra Harmonic Planetary 26 Tuning Forks by Radical. Described as the ultimate healing kit, this package includes 3 sets of the best tuning forks for healing of 2020. The first is the Harmonic Spectrum set, consisting of 8 tuning forks, a full octave. This creates a series of overtones to promote cantering and relaxation. The second set is the Chakra set. This set includes 7 forks, one for each chakra. Unlike the Harmonic Spectrum set, the Chakra set is not tuned to a musical scale. Instead, they are tuned to work with the subtle body, the energetic body, and their sounds are calculated by the mathematical rotation of the planets around the sun. The final set is the Precision set. There are 11 tuning forks in this set, all tuned to the tones of the 8 planets, Pluto, the Sun, and the Moon. The sound of each fork has a different quality and inspires a different physiological reaction in the human body.